get. Okay. And I lost the cap. Ketchup cup. Anyways.
So
Look at this mess. Portion.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we'll be doing a very fun food challenge, which is trying out weird food combinations. So I think yesterday or day before yesterday I put up a story on Instagram so that people could give me combinations which I could try. And I've got so many replies, surprisingly. So many replies, but I'll be doing only 10 of them. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, some of them are really gross. So let's get into the video and let's see what happens. First combination which I have is pretty nice. It is Nutella with Mary biscuit. So let me try. Here I have Mary biscuit and here I have Nutella, and I'm going to try this. I've seen a lot of people actually eating Nutella with Mary biscuit, but I actually never wanted to.
But for this video I have to. Yeah. Okay. So I have Mary biscuit and
Everything is so new. I've ordered everything just for this video, so do not forget to subscribe. Spread it over. This is yummy. This is actually so yummy. Wow! This is amazing. I don't know why haven't I ever tried this before, but it's so good. Amazing. I don't really like a lot of sweet things, so 9.5 out of 10. I'll be rating all the combinations, so this is a 9.5 out of 10. So the next combination which I have is dahi with chocos, which is gross. I didn't even wanted to add this one because कोई कैसे खा सकता है dahi with chocos, but I had to. So the person who has actually put this up has given like 2-3 hearts with it.
Are you serious? Have you actually like?
Dahi with chocos. I don't know what is going to happen. Let's see. So I have here dahi with me and this.
the tacos. These are the tacos. I can still get it without even actually tasting it. I can feel like it's like bleh.
This is the grossest thing ever. This is the weirdest thing I am personally ever doing. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm gonna throw it. Okay, so I've taken like thoda sa dahi, spoon, and chocos. Yuck, man. Yuck. What? I can't take it. I'll be drinking this for that. This was so yucky, like so yucky. Don't try this at home. Do not.
Dahi was salty, plus khatta. Chocos is like meetha. I hate it. Yuck.
-1 out of 10 if I have to rate this. Thing that I'm gonna try is samosa with cheese. So I've got like thoda sa cheese spread in this katori, and I'm going to try it with samosa.
I don't know how is this gonna go off.
Not bad. I'm a very big samosa fan. I loved it. I would like give this an 8.5 because samosa garam नहीं है, because obviously shoot करने में time लग जाता है तो garam नहीं होता. Next thing is very interesting actually, because I always wanted to try this, but I never actually tried it because I was like, okay, let me tell you what the combination actually is. It's chai and coffee. So I have like chai and coffee ready with me, and it's like garam garam. I've just made it. So I thought of doing this before anything else. So chai, tea and coffee. I'm not even a tea person, I'm not even a coffee person. I am a cold coffee person. So I never tried this. Otherwise, if I would have been a chai and a coffee person, I would have definitely tried this. But let me just...
गर्म है यार, तो गर्म ही पी सकते हैं.
अच्छा है. Seriously, it's not bad. I'm getting that coffee flavor also and that tea gut flavor also. It's like completely balanced. Oh god, I'm actually getting both the flavors, like coffee ka, you know, strong flavor, and tea ka, tea jaisa flavor obviously. It's pretty nice. If you cannot decide what to actually drink, tea or coffee, just mix them both and try it. It's pretty nice. I'm not a tea or a coffee person, so I've never tried it. But first time. बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. You should try it. 10 on 10. Being a person who doesn't even like tea or coffee, I loved it. But I still loved it. Next thing that I have is quite interesting. It's fries with Nutella. I hate fries, first of all. I do not have fries. Like, I hate it. So I've got these like McCain wala fries hai ye, so that jaldi ban jata. And I have I told you I don't like fries. Nutella, obviously. I've got a lot of things with nuts, so let me try. What is this? Nice, very nice. I don't like fries, तो मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रहा. I have like no problem with actually having fries with Nutella, but I don't just like fries. I hate fries. It is nice, but I just don't like the fries. I hate the fries. Otherwise, both of them to get together is like fine, but I just don't like the fries wala part when it's coming. Yeah, otherwise you can try it. Like fries, and if you like Nutella also, just try it together. I'll give it a 7 just because I don't like fries. I hate fries. I'm actually trying out stuff, and I'm actually eating stuff which I actually don't eat, you know, in normal life, just for this video. So you better subscribe. That I have is like super famous, and I was waiting for this combination so badly. It is Maggi with tomato ketchup. Let's actually get the thing decided once and for all, that if Maggi with ketchup tastes good or not. Like, for me, whoever actually says that Maggi with ketchup is like the grossest thing ever, shut up.
Shut up.
I like Maggi with ketchup, okay, and I'm going to try it, and I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I love Maggi with ketchup, alright. I do not like soupy Maggi's at all. I haven't even added water. Maggi with ketchup, let's see. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it, man. I don't know, how do you guys not like it? I love it. Keep having it, then video ho hi nahi payega. Next thing that I have is papad dipped in amras. So I know this is a very famous dish for Marwadi. I think I have like rarely had amras because मेरे घर में amras नहीं बनता है, you know, mango shake ज़्यादा बनता है. So I wanted to try amras with papad because it's like the prime dish for Marwadis. I actually wanted to try it. So I have papad and amras. Amras looks so tasty. Yeah. I'm super excited. Let's see, because amras, I don't know, let's see. I think this is how you have it, Marwadis. But anyways. Seriously? I mean, seriously, it's like so damn tasty. Like, it's so tasty. Yum. How did I have this whole thing, my man?
What?
10 on 10. Actually, it's beyond 10. Like, it's 11 or 12 or whatever. You know, it's infinity. It's so yum.
I don't know why haven't I ever tried this before. It's yum. Especially,
I'm like leaving mango shake and I'll have amras more than that. One was so good. Let's see कि next वाला क्या है. Noodles with chocolate sauce. I'll not be taking any kind of noodles because I can't waste the Maggi. Obviously I love Maggi, but then let me just try it with Maggi itself because it's fine. This is the chocolate sauce which I have. I'll eat it with Maggi. I don't know, I am very sure it's yuck before even having it. This looks bad, yuck. Okay, let me just have it. Okay. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. The chocolate sauce is like a dark chocolate sauce, तो वो थोड़ा सा कड़वा चीज़ जो नहीं होता है. That is not tasting good. Kadwa cheese is not nice. 7 out of 10. Next thing which I have is blue lace and Nutella. So I have this blue lace with Nutella. Nutella together. Let's see how it tastes.
I think I like red lace more than blue lace.
Yeah. I'm just going to take thoda sa because I don't want to waste it. Wow. This is like the perfect khatta meetha combination. Not khatta, masala and meetha combination. So good.
Quite nice.
I think Nutella tastes good with everything. Like, it's so good. Blue lace and Nutella, 9 out of 10. Yum. Refreshing. So it's like Sprite with Polo. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this one. I kept this for the last because this is very interesting. Whoever has given it, it's so interesting. Let me just mix them. Like, okay. So I'm going to add Sprite. थोड़ा सा ही because I know Polo डालती है. I think fizzy हो जाएगा. And Polo! I'm having Polo after a very long time now. Excited. No, it's gonna come fizz out. थोड़ा सा ही हुआ. थोड़ा हो रहा है. Look, like it's coming out thoda. Okay, let's taste it. अच्छा है. पोलो का कम ही टेस्ट आ रहा है. कुछ अभी डिजॉल्व नहीं हुआ है. Let me just wait for a while and then try it. ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है पोलो डालने या पोलो बिना डाले ऑनेस्टली, बट आई फील लाइक लास्ट में पोलो का टेस्ट आ रहा है, दैट इज़ वेरी 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 नाइस. बट विद और विदाउट पोलो इज़ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट सेम, लाइक except for the last part where it's like a 5, because with or without polo doesn't actually make a lot of difference. Okay, so the next combination which I have is yellow lace and mayonnaise. So I'm going to try yellow lace with mayo. I'm going to try yellow lace with mayo.
Fine, it's fine.
Just because like this is classic salted, it's fine. Like दोनों का taste is almost fine. Like it's good. If you want to have it with mayo, go for it. It's fine. The salted lace, like the yellow lace and mayonnaise tastes pretty good. So it's a 7 out of 10. Yeah. I'm sorry to each and every one of you jinka combinations I couldn't add to this video, because this video was as it is so long. I like did 10 combinations in a video, but I couldn't do the rest. So let me know in the comment section below if you want a part 2 with those combinations, and I will surely do it. So till then, bye bye. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do it. Hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Till then, keep smiling because the best is yet to come.